Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's little DIY, I'm obsessed. I love how everything turned out. So I designed these sewing Halloween themed cut files that will be available in my Etsy shop. I will link it in the video description if you guys are interested in buying them. But yeah, so normally when I'm cutting fabric, I like to use coasters as my pattern weights, but this time I wanted to customize them. So this Frankenstein one that says super freaking awesome seamstress. I have this this funny one of the witch. My broom broke, so now I sew. And then of course I have this one, the witch sewing, and then of course the little pumpkin pin cushion. Bundle will be available on my Etsy shop, like I said. But yeah, let's get started. Previous video that I did, I forgot to mention that this is the brothers little design space called Canvas Workspace. It's free for you to use. You can create an account. But yeah, so I downloaded my images, but before I download them and transfer them through the cloud, I wanna reverse it or like flip it, because it just makes it easier. Sometimes I forget to do that when I'm over there cutting it. So yeah, now it's reversed, and now we're going to download and transfer it, and it's ready. So let's go to my cutting. So welcome back to my little cutting station. And so I'm gonna go to patterns and click on the little cloud so it can transfer the image onto my machine. And also, like always, I like to trace the little piece that I'm using on here so I can scan it on my machine. And here's my little pieces. Okay, so as you can see, it's right there. Hold on, let me move that. And it's right here, so I need to make it that size. So let's go here, here, and let's make it a little bit smaller. So I quickly also just try to save myself the best I could when it came to like the vinyl and stuff when I'm cutting. So yeah, I'm happy with this. I'm gonna say okay, and let me change the vinyl. So I already did two just because I was really excited about these. Oh, love them. Okay, so I removed all of like the extra, like the axes and stuff. And so for the silver part, you shouldn't remove it until you're ready to put it on whatever you're putting the vinyl on. So once you're ready, just remove it again. So I'm gonna do that for the rest. And we're pretty much done. Love how they turned out. Obsessed. But yeah, everything will be linked in the video description along with the material as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.